Several industries have been transformed by the power of digitalization, unlocking vast value for society. In the power sector, many utilities have been early adopters of digital technologies, but these were implemented mostly in a fragmented and isolated way. A recent report from the IEA highlights that the energy sector is today at the cusp of a digital revolution based on advancing technology, falling costs, and ubiquitous connectivity. To unlock the potential of the digital grid, we have developed TXpert, an open, scalable manufacturer-agnostic ecosystem for digitalization of transformers. It consists of products, software, services, and solutions, complying with stringent cybersecurity standards. These work perfectly together and have the capability to integrate with new and existing equipment from other manufacturers. A TXpert-enabled transformer can be augmented with digital APM solutions, asset performance management software that can be used for individual units or large fleets of transformers. Scalable in design, the TXpert ecosystem offers simple steps to digitalize transformers. It provides transformers access to knowledge and intelligence we have derived from designing and servicing thousands of transformers across the globe for well over a century. Delivering data-driven insights to reduce costs, optimize operations, extend life expectancy, and enhance environmental performance. For example, the top 3 locations of fault in transformers are its windings, tap changers, and bushings, and the TXpert ecosystem provides options to mitigate all of these, saving millions of dollars in repairs and settlement costs. Partner with us on your digital journey for transforming performance and enabling a sustainable energy future.